Have you been seeing ads for the Selnivo multifunctional wall air conditioner all over social media lately? The product is getting a lot of attention because of its sleek design, low price, and claims of powerful cooling. But the real question is this: is the Selnivo air conditioner actually legit? Or could it be another online gadget scam? At first glance, the device looks impressive. The ads promote fast cooling, quiet operation, low energy use, and simple installation. It even looks similar to a modern wall-mounted mini-split AC, which makes it appear more premium and professional. But once you look closer, several concerns start showing up. Real split air conditioning systems normally require an outdoor compressor unit and proper ventilation to remove heat from the room. HVAC professionals explain that without an external system, a device cannot function like a true air conditioner. However, the Selnivo product page makes installation look incredibly simple, almost like plugging in a fan. That raises an important question. Is this really an air conditioner, or is it just a small portable air cooler being marketed as something more powerful? Another warning sign is the aggressive advertising. The website uses huge discounts, limited time offers, and bold claims like, "Cool your room in minutes." These kinds of marketing tactics are commonly seen on questionable gadget websites, trying to create urgency and attract quick purchases. There's also concern about customer reviews. Some online stores use copied testimonials, edited images, or generic 5-star reviews that can be difficult to verify. That doesn't automatically prove the product is fake, but it does mean buyers should be extra careful. Before purchasing any trending gadget online, it's smart to check independent reviews, look into the company's reputation, and read the refund and return policies carefully. So, is the Selnivo air conditioner legit? Based on the marketing and the missing technical details, it currently looks more like a risky online product than a reliable cooling solution. And if you're expecting performance similar to a real split AC system, you could end up disappointed. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and stay alert for the latest online product scams and trending website reviews. Thank you.